Have you ever wondered how cryptocurrency works, specifically UMA? Well, let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography, a method of protecting information for security. Now, there are many types of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its unique features and uses. One such cryptocurrency that's been making waves is UMA. Yes, you heard it right, UMA. So buckle up, because in the next few minutes we will delve into the world of UMA. So what exactly is UMA, you may be wondering? Well, let's dive right into it. UMA, or Universal Market Access, is a fascinating protocol that's built on the Ethereum blockchain. Its primary function? To allow you, me, and anyone else to create synthetic assets. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering what synthetic assets are, they're simply financial contracts designed to mimic the price behavior of virtually any asset. Think of them as a digital mirror reflecting the value of an asset, whether it's a stock, a commodity, or even another cryptocurrency. So, whether you're interested in the price of gold or the latest hot stock, you can create a synthetic asset on UMA that mirrors its value without having to own the actual asset. Pretty cool, right? UMA's synthetic assets open up a world of possibilities, as we'll see next. Now you might be wondering, how does UMA work? UMA, or Universal Market Access, operates through two main components: the Data Verification Mechanism, or DVM, and synthetic tokens. Let's start with the DVM. The DVM is essentially an oracle, but it's not your average oracle. You see, oracles in the blockchain world are third-party services that provide smart contracts with external information. They are crucial in enabling smart contracts to interact with data outside their network. However, UMA's DVM is a bit different. It's an on-demand oracle that only springs into action when a contract is disputed. This design is quite clever because it greatly reduces costs, since the oracle doesn't need to constantly feed data into the system. Now, let's move on to the second component: synthetic tokens. These tokens are the actual assets within the UMA system. They are called synthetic because they mimic the price behavior of other assets. It could be anything from commodities, stocks, other cryptocurrencies, or even abstract metrics like unemployment rates. The beauty of synthetic tokens is that they allow users to gain exposure to a wide range of assets without actually owning them. With these components, UMA allows users to create their own financial markets. It's like giving you the tools to build your own financial universe, right from your computer. Fascinating, isn't it? But why is UMA important in the world of cryptocurrency? Let's delve into that. UMA is a game changer because it opens up the possibility to create any imaginable financial market. This could range from something as traditional as a stock index to something as unique as a weather derivatives market. All of this is made possible by the ingenuity of UMA's decentralized virtual machine, or DVM. The DVM is a marvel of cost-effectiveness. It only operates when disputes arise, thereby reducing unnecessary computations and, in turn, minimizing costs. Furthermore, UMA operates on the Ethereum blockchain, which is known for its robust security. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of UMA is its decentralized nature. Since it's not controlled by any central authority, it provides an open platform where anyone can participate. This brings a new level of inclusivity to finance, allowing individuals around the globe equal access to financial markets. UMA, therefore, represents a significant development in the democratization of finance. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about UMA. This intriguing protocol, residing on Ethereum's network, empowers users to generate synthetic assets. It utilizes a data verification mechanism, DVM, and synthetic tokens, creating a decentralized and secure system. UMA is a transformative force in the financial world, breaking down barriers and offering access to global markets. It's an exciting time to explore the possibilities of cryptocurrency. With UMA, the world of finance is at your fingertips.